to follow this. I love this so much. Wagwan. Hope y'all are doing great. I'm feeling better than I've been feeling in the last, I don't know, 2 weeks or so. It's not like I'm dealing better. I started seeing someone, and it was nice to put some things into perspective. Yeah. And one of the things, like I mentioned the other day, was realizing and acknowledging that getting older, I've found that mental health needs to be deliberate. Like, mental health care needs to be deliberate. It's, you're coming from a culture or a background that doesn't really place great importance on things like this. It's kind of just always, girl, you better get up. Ain't nobody coming to save you. Like I don't know if you've ever heard the saying that depression is for poor people or something like that. But I think mindsets like that and cultures like that, you do have, like, it follows you. Like, you experience traumatic things, and instead of getting help, you're told, or you're either told or made to feel like you just need to get over it. But I was, like I mentioned, feeling overwhelmed. Like, there was an acute sense of being overwhelmed, and I took a few days, and I do feel like I'm getting better. Like, it's not, but it's certainly better than it was, and it gave me some perspective. It definitely gave me some perspective. And so I'm just taking it for what it is. I'm going through it and appreciating the fact that life comes in stages and waves, and just riding through. Today's Thursday, and I'm heading home. I am actually in the city, close to downtown, and I'm going to head out back to my quarters. But yeah, we're back in the place. And I just want to say as well that I appreciate you all. I appreciate my community so much. I appreciate connecting with women who are mature and, share the same values as me, and who can sometimes hold you accountable. That's something that I personally value. I value people in my life and in my community who can hold me accountable, and to encourage, because life is hard enough. None of us got a manual, and so I just want to say that I appreciate y'all. I appreciate you all. I appreciate connecting with you. I appreciate hearing about your experiences, and I appreciate your perspectives even when they're different. I appreciate that. So major big up to Udo. And let's get into the vlog. This one's so flimsy. Paper inside is not. Books make me so happy. I haven't been in a bookstore in a while, a couple of years. Mr. Shan. Nice one. Poetry. Alright, so this week looks like this weekend looks like the last week of warm weather. It's still in the 20s. I mean, it's a little snippy. The breeze is a little snippy, but it's still in the 20s. And I mean, I really love it. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. But it's definitely warmer than regular Saskatchewan temperatures. I don't know whether that's good or bad, but I think we're on the last legs. The forecast says we're supposed to have a really bad winter. Well,
we can feed thousands of people in our community.
The thing says Canada's supposed to have a really bad winter, but I don't know. It's so warm. I like it. It's a nice, warm, long fall. Me like it. Anyway, I am going to pick up little lady. Babe isn't feeling well. Should probably get dinner while I'm at it. For them that cross me with not even 1 ounce of urgency. Like literally sloth movements across the street.
We get to wear costumes next week.
Hurry.
We get it.
What costumes?
Like costumes that you can do. I really want to wear them, but I also dress.
How was it?
Good. I want.
Alright, babe, guys, so it's Saturday. My house is an absolute mess. Been a spread from morning to it's the end of the day because, well, life be like that sometimes. My husband is not feeling well, so I'm going to go and him say I want a soup. I was saying that would I make him some soup, but I don't have enough things, but him say I want a soup anyway. So I'm gonna make him soup with what I can roast up from the kitchen. Yeah. And this one is unboxing things from her auntie.
2 ways to drink. Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Shelly.
Oh wait, there's a strap in there. I have to open it and look out.
So guys, you know, as Jamaicans, we don't really use the dishwasher that much, right? Because to me it just makes sense to use my hand. But ever since Thanksgiving, I don't know what's been going on, this, like in the 2+ years that I've lived here, this is the most that this dishwasher has ever been used in the last week. I think we're just over it. And it helped a lot to just not have to stand here and do the manual labor. Usually we don't use it, but we got a lot of use out of it this week, trust me. Run to the store because I feel like I needed something for, you know, take care of my man, making the good soup. I need some pimento. I need some what else do we need? Scotch bonnet pepper. I'll lift them in here. That's something named yucca root. I've never had it before. A cassava? Let me Google. Alright, Google did not agree that they are the same thing, so we're gonna put that back. Alright. The people that have taro root, Google say is dashi. So I'm not go my country, but I'm not so country. So it's all a piece of dashi, you know?
You did that. Yeah, you crossed the line about 1,000 times and I did that. Yeah, I stayed a while, tried to make it right. Cigarette. No, I never smoked, but my heart is broke, explosive. Stressing for that old thing back. That initial love, all the goosebumps, those flutters in my gut, turn into disgust. What a waste of love, babe. I just wanna go back to how it was, lay in each other's arms all day. Send me gifts just because. Tell me where we went wrong. Started out as homies, ended up as lovers. How'd it get so ugly? Can't we rediscover, baby, what it was? Or let's be honest, it was just a lover. You were so romantic, we were picture perfect. So much freaking passion, why we never got it back, babe.
And that's it. Thank you for stopping by the vlog this week, friends. I hope that you're preparing for the incoming cold weather if you're in Canada, and if you're in Jamaica, enjoy the sunshine for day. We're gonna start go through it very, very soon. I will see y'all in next week's vlog. Have a good one.